Now you're going the wrong way. Yeah. Remember, it goes in one direction when you go forward and in another direction when you're going backwards. So you gotta get used to getting it just right.
What the? It's a lot easier with the regular remote controls.
Right, just the front and back, right? The pistol grip is not the easiest to use. There you go.
No.
All right, so go forward while steering a little bit. Yeah, see if you can get it right under there. There you go. That was good. Okay, try not to destroy it, okay? It's a pretty cool little car.